Okay, this is Kingsley Cemetery. We love coming out there. It's so pretty, and the dogs, of course, love it. Are you ready to go, Baxter? Come on, let's go. Okay, on to Friend School. Now, Friend is the name of a town out here in Oregon, fairly close to the Dells, just south of the Dells. Okay, here we are at Flag Point. Oh, I think the elevation is 5,200 feet or so. Tried getting up here a couple weeks ago. There's too much snow and I couldn't do it. Anyway, we left the house. It was probably in the 70s, and it's 38 degrees up here right now. Wanted to take Sophie up here. She's the light-colored dog. She's almost 14. And at that age, you never know. I'd like to show her some things while we get the chance. Anyway, there's the tower. There's nobody in it. This was built in 1977, and yeah, some of these are really old. I just love the graffiti. A lot of times we come down here and just sit and stare, don't we, Diane? We just sit and stare. Okay, this one here, 1975. I don't know, a lot of people like spending their time out in the mountains or maybe on the lake, and Diane and I like coming down to the railroad yard here. This is about as good as it gets for us. Okay, 1972. 1972 is the year I came home from Vietnam, Diane.